Hey y'all, Dennis Backyard Barbecue. Today I'm gonna do something I haven't done in a long time. We got some codfish and I'm gonna cook it on the Weber kettle grill. It's not gonna take too long. It's a pretty easy cook. We're gonna season it with some lemon juice and a little bit of lemon pepper, and that's all we're gonna do to it. So I do have a little mat that I'm gonna put on there so that it doesn't stick to the grill grate. But let's go ahead and get that grill heated up and let's get to it. This is gonna be a really quick cook. All right, I got my coals good and hot. Let's go ahead and get them dumped in here. And we're gonna get a little bit of smoke on this because I got a little piece of pecan or pecan, whichever way you'd like to pronounce it. I got a little piece of that in there. So that's gonna be a bonus. So now let's go ahead and get my grate on here. This is the clean side. I'm sure I'll get a comment or two on that one. All right, so here's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna put my handy dandy little fish cooking mat on here that I got from the As Seen on TV part of Kroger. Crap, 6-7 years ago. All right, I'm gonna coat that down with avocado oil. Then we're gonna get our fish. We got our codfish from Costco. Mrs. Backyard Barbecue loves some codfish. And I have a friend who makes fun of me for calling it codfish. But, I mean, it's cod and it's a fish. And y'all have seen him before. All right, so now what we're gonna do is I'm gonna do something a little bit different with this. I'm gonna kind of cheat and just use a little bit of lemon juice. We're gonna call it a binder, but it really ain't a binder. I'm just putting some lemon juice flavor on there, just a little bit. And I'm gonna do the same thing when we flip it over and do the other side. So I got my lemon juice on there. Now I'm putting my lemon pepper on there, because you got to have lemon pepper. Unless you frying fish, you got to have lemon pepper. And Mrs. Backyard Barbecue don't like frying fish, but I'm gonna have to do a video for y'all about frying fish, South Carolina style. She just ain't gonna get to eat none. All right, so I got it all closed up like that. I got it indirect. I'm gonna turn it around because I don't really care if I get a whole lot of smoke on this or not, but I wanna know what this temperature over here is. And I'm gonna cook it till it's opaque. It's probably gonna be 145, 150 degrees internal. We'll check it. But it's more go by feel. But I'll do my best to give you guys all the information that I can give y'all so that y'all can do this and be 100% confident that you're not gonna kill yourself. All right, so let this thing cook. We'll be right back. All right, I've had the fish on for about 15 minutes. So it ought to be about time to turn it. So let's take a look. Let's go ahead and stick it because I want to be able to give y'all a temperature. We're going to cook it at 145 per USDA. All right, right now, the skinny ones are about 117. We're going to take the thick ones probably to 140. We're 106. I am cooking it indirect, so it's going to be a little bit longer, but I'd rather do it that way than, than overcook it. All right, so let's go ahead. This is gonna be the challenging part. This is why I had this big old giant spatula. I'll try to flip it without breaking it. And the odds of that are kind of slim. Look at that, we mostly pulled it off. So we mostly flipped it without breaking it. Get over here and get my towel. Because I just finished washing my hands. Now I got lemon juice and lemon pepper. All right, so we're gonna do the exact same thing this time. I'm just gonna put a little bit of, whoop, that ain't a little bit of lemon juice. And we're gonna put some lemon pepper. Now it did break a little bit, but that's not that big a deal because if it breaks up when I go to take it off, I don't have to cut it up as much. So we're gonna go liberal with the lemon pepper. I'm gonna cover it back over. This time I ain't worried about the temperature. I'm gonna let everything go this way. So if we're gonna get some smoke, we'll get some smoke that way. So we've been on 15, 20 minutes. We might have 15, 20 more, but I do not want to cook this direct. So if y'all disagree, y'all do it differently, let me know down in the comments. And if you agree and you want to try it, and you do try it, and well, let me know how it turns out down in the comments. Anyway, we're gonna let this thing cook some more. We'll be back in a minute. All right, we're a half an hour in cooking our codfish. I do have all the vents wide open, so I'm not choking the heat back at all. I'm at 115 here. These little pieces are gonna be done pretty quick. Here we're sitting on 115. So I'll tell you what I'm gonna do to speed this thing along a little bit. I'm gonna put on a pair of gloves so I don't burn myself. These coals don't look like they as hot as I would have wanted. So I'm gonna take this little mat. I'm gonna pull it over here just a little bit. We'll put it over some hot heat. All right, we're gonna do this for about 5 minutes and then we'll check it, because like I said before, I do not want to overcook this fish. So we're gonna leave it like that for about 5 minutes, mark time, and then we're gonna temp it and we'll see where we are. See y'all in about 5 minutes. Okay, our 5 more minutes is up. So now we've been, what have we been? 30, almost 40 minutes. So let's see where we're at now. 120, 125. We're gonna go with the thickest part. Thickest part's right there, 120. All right, and I do want to take this to a minimum of 135. So, sorry it's taking so long, guys. I got all the heat wide open. I guess I did use some older coals after I dumped out the chimney. So, let's see what the temperature gets up to. I'm gonna give it about 10 more minutes now. We're gonna end up, this is gonna be, y'all gonna love this. It'll be less than an hour cook, but it will be good. So, we'll check back with y'all in a little bit. All right, we had a slight interruption because the wife called to let me know she's on the way home from work. So, we have currently now been 48 minutes. Let's see where we are with this thing. 134, 140, 140. We are done. So dragging it over the direct heat was the trick. It just took a while. And I looked, and of course, now I've got my dome temperature indicator is blocked by that, but it's only showing 130 degrees in the dome, or 300 degrees in the dome. All right, so now I'm gonna break this all apart as we talked about earlier, because it's just gonna do that, because it's cooked, and it's fish, and it's fillet, and this is codfish, and it is good. So let's let this rest for just a few minutes, and then we'll have a taste. Take one more look, and I'll be right back. Okay, let me get out of the way. Daggone camera. All right, we got some jalapeños on there, and we got some greens, and it looks really, really good to me. Now I'm gonna have me a taste. I'm gonna take this piece right here. Man, I tell you. All right, codfish, this way it took 47, 49 minutes, I reckon. And that was, the grill wasn't real hot. You get the grill good and hot, you can cook it a lot faster. But this has got some bite to it. It's not falling apart. I like my ribs falling apart, not my fish. Not my fish at all. Oh, man. Yep. that is good. I hope Mrs. Backyard Barbecue don't like this, because I ate the whole daggone thing. This is a big old fillet. So, that being said, I will put the recipe down in the description. I pulled it at 135 on the fat part, the thick part, and 135 is minimum recommended. USDA says 145. You know, if I die, I won't post any more videos, so y'all be able to figure it out. But that's good. It was real good. And of course, the thinner pieces are way more cooked. But I'm also going to put my Amazon link down in there, and I have a couple of companies wanting to do some collaborations. I'm debating on whether or not I want to do that right now. So you might get an opportunity to pick up on some other things here in the near future. We're talking about it. But until next time I see y'all at the grill, codfish, it's the real deal. Y'all keep on grilling.